Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a combination chart. What a combination chart is that if you're running a business and you need to budget in how much resources that you have used and you want to graph how many of the actual resources that you have used. And how you insert that kind of chart is the budget will show it inside bars. The actual will show it in a line. And I will show you how it visibly looks like. So, how you would do that is first you highlight the content and then you go over to insert. From there, you will go over to this little icon. And as you hover over it, it will say insert combo chart. Pick out the second one. And as you can see, like I have previously explained, the bottom of the blue bar represents the budget. Hover over it, it will say the value was 500. Go over to the line, it will say, and it'll say right over here for the actual line number, 525. And if you hover over here, it says the value is 400. Hover over here, 392. So you can always play around with it, and this is better if you're running for a business or a small business and you want to know the exact resources that you have used and compared. Since this is getting close to the end of my videos covering all about charts, I can show you how to make your chart look visibly appealing. So for example, if you don't like how the points are looking, you can always go over back onto here. You can always change it to a better line color, a better bar color. That is over onto the change colors. You can always play around with the chart styles like I was showing it to you previously before. Here you can make it looking like 3D. You can even go over onto here for the lines. You can even add it into, like, for example, dashes. You can even add it to a little bit more crazy looking dashes. For the bars, you can even add in shape effects like a shadow to it. There's this like an offset shadow. You can even add glows towards it. But for a business presentation, I highly don't recommend you to do that, because since you're in a professional setting, and this definitely does not look professional at all. Adding crazy dashes, that looks actually visibly appealing. And adding, like, for example, one of the shapes, like adding a shadow behind it. And for these guys, you can just add like a preset to enhance the image a lot more. Hope this video helps, and you have any more other questions about combination charts, feel free to put it into the comments section, and hopefully I can answer you about it. And I would teach you how to move your chart if your boss ever asks you to move your chart so that he can compare all the data later on. How you would do that is first you go back over to chart design, go over to location, move chart, new sheet. This is called a combination chart. And there you have it. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you on my next one. On my next one, I'll be teaching you about is how to do all of the other different charts that Excel has. Thanks for stopping by, and bye for now.